Good morning, students. Welcome back in online classes of NBGI. This is your SST class, and today we are going to study Civics of Class 8, and your chapter name is the Indian Constitution. Students, today we will discuss about the some rules and guidelines that is issued by our constitution. In democratic society, the constitution office lays down rules that guard against this misuse of authority by our political leaders. Students, in our constitution, there is some guidelines which is given by our constitution for our political leaders, so that they cannot misuse the power which is given to them by our constitution. In the case of Indian constitution, about which you will read more later in this chapter, many of these laws are contained in the section of fundamental rights. The rules and some fundamental rights given to the peoples of a democratic country, so they can live a freely life and they can live with equality in society. Do you recall the chapter on the Dalit writers Om Prakash Valmiki's experience in school from your class 7 book? Student, there are some matter which is related to equality. In previous class, I already studied about the Om Prakash Valmiki, who is a Dalit writer and who faces a lots of discrimination in the society. So our constitution provide safeguard in that situation. There is a equal right in our constitution, so that all the people can live equality in a society. In this chapter, we will talk about the discriminations Om Prakash faced because he was a Dalit. A lots of discrimination faced by the Om Prakash Valmiki because he is a Dalit and he belonged to the Dalit caste. So, for this SC and ST's caste, there is some safeguards provided to the peoples in our constitution. You read about how the Indian constitution guaranteed the right to equality to all persons and says that no citizen can be discrimination against on grounds of religion, race, caste, gender and place of birth. There is just some equal right given in our constitution in which no one can be discriminated on the basis of caste, creed, religion, gender, etc. The right to equality is one of fundamental right guaranteed the Indian constitution. There is a fundamental right which is provided by our constitution. In our constitution, there is a fundamental right in which a right to equality. Right to equality means all people are equal in a democratic country. So all the people can live equality and they cannot be discriminated on the basis of their caste, religion or language. So students, you have to read this passage carefully, and rest part of this chapter we will study in next video. Thank you.